Hello guys, this is Universe channel, and in this video I will show you how you can fix Samsung Galaxy A02 or A02s secure folder not working or not showing problem. So before starting video, if you are new to this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon for more latest videos. So if you are facing secure folder not working or not showing problem in Galaxy A02 or A02s, just follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your issue.